Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do habakran berginong thok kubor halor ke jingja ke badang suggestion hak jela Karnataka hak ba arngut ki Khynnah Pule na ke jela ki la do ila ka jong jing em ulaong kadan kam mi ki sing 3 months ngobhan ki pat ba makin pentep shaka Sorkar jela Lada jia kanu kanu ke jingja ke basniu ki Khynnah Pule jong ke jela ki balik ban Pule Shabar ke jela uba pol ulaong ba 4 juyo sngo bakum kini ki jingja kin wanja ki Khynnah Pule ke jela ki ba Pule Shabar ke Sorkar ru kamdan jingtep bayi kitigi Khynnah bagi let Pule shak de jaka nagalyang ke Sorkar kalau kentu ki Rangbah Shnong makin shim kya bat Lada ki don kinu ki jingja ki de ban Ujor shak Sorkar ulong ru balada don kinu ki jing Ujor nagalyang ke tenat kan le e ka badan kam
did not figure in the cabinet discussions today, but the stand of the government has always been to ensure the safety of every Meghallian who travels or studies outside the state, which is why the Commissioner and Secretary Home personally visited on behalf of the state government, visited the hospital where the unfortunate incident where those 2 casualties occurred. So on the part of the government, we will do everything to unearth the circumstances leading to the deaths of the 2 boys. The Secretary Home will submit a formal report to the Deputy CM in charge and to the CM, and we will take a call on that.
Yeah. As a minister looking after social welfare, this also involves children. I mean, like at a very young age, they have been taken outside the state, and don't you think that some policy or some rules should be enforced to ensure that nobody do that kind of thing like at their whims and fancies?
See, primarily, I agree to what you say, but on this very matter, it's very important also for all stakeholders, especially civil society, members of civil society, to bring it to our notice. Now, nothing of the kind has happened so far. It's just happened that in this particular instance, that the boys actually lost their lives, which is why it got the attention that it got. Actually, nobody even heard about such boys being indoctrinated and being kept in these homes for reasons which you have already spelled out. So I would request all concerned, especially the village heads, to bring such issues to the notice of the government and to the Department of Social Welfare. We will take cognizance of all such complaints.
But whether we have or not any kind of provisions in social welfare, especially, like, I mean, even though it will be a concern of their own parents, but then taking children at the age of 6, 5, 7 years.
Which is why we need formal complaints, because there, as you mentioned, there could have been consent given by parents, consent being given by guardians, in which case government has little role to play. But where there are specific complaints of minors being abused for purposes of religious conversion, we will certainly take cognizance of such complaints. But it has to be specific information.